Number one mistake that ruins relationships. Hi, I'm dating and relationship expert Ricard, and in this video I will share what's the most common mistake that ruins relationship according to my expertise. And you might think of a few, like lack of trust, lack of communication, and finally, of course, lack of commitment. However, the number one reason that ruins relationships, according to my expertise, is poor communication, because communication is pivotal in all relationships, and if you can't communicate, you can't have a functioning language. And that's according to my experience and expertise. And if you want more tips from me, like this video, subscribe, and don't forget to check out the link in the description below. And thanks for watching.